Welcome to the complete guide to successfully applying to Melbourne universities. Melbourne, home to various esteemed educational institutions, offers a diverse range of study opportunities to cater to every academic interest. The first step in your application process is finding the right university that aligns with your academic goals and pursuits. Undertaking thorough research and shortlisting potential universities is paramount to this initial step. Remember, choosing the right university is the first crucial step in your academic journey. Now that you have shortlisted your universities, it's time to review entry requirements. Melbourne universities, like many others around the globe, have specific requirements that they expect from their prospective students. It's crucial to understand these requirements to ensure a successful application. Academic qualifications are the backbone of your application. Universities want to know that you have the necessary knowledge and skills to succeed in your chosen field of study. This typically includes your high school diploma or equivalent, and any relevant test scores or coursework. Language proficiency is also a key factor. If English isn't your first language, you may need to take a test to show that you can understand and communicate effectively in English. Tests like IELTS or TOEFL are widely accepted, but it's not just about your grades and test scores. Universities also look at other criteria, like your extracurricular activities, leadership experiences, and community service. They want to see that you're a well-rounded individual who will contribute positively to their campus community. So take the time to thoroughly review and understand these entry requirements. Reach out to the universities if you have any questions or need clarification. Remember, preparation is key to success. Understanding and meeting these entry requirements can boost your chances of acceptance. Once you are aware of the entry requirements, it's time to start the application process. This process is like a journey, with each step as crucial as the last. Your first destination? Preparing your supporting documents. These may include academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, and any other materials specified by your chosen university. Next up, you'll want to craft a compelling personal statement. This is your chance to showcase your academic goals, interests, and what makes you a unique fit for your chosen program. Now it's time to submit your application. But wait, don't hit that submit button just yet. Make sure you've checked and double-checked every detail. Accuracy is key here. And remember, timing is everything. Keeping track of application deadlines is crucial. You wouldn't want to miss your chance because of a simple oversight. And finally, this is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep an eye on your inbox and respond promptly to any communication from the university. A well-prepared and timely application can make a strong impression on the admission committee. Applying to universities also involves exploring financial aid options and scholarships. Melbourne universities offer a plethora of these opportunities, designed to ease the financial burden of higher education. Scholarships are not just for the academically gifted, but they're also available for students who excel in sports, arts, or have demonstrated leadership skills. Financial aid, on the other hand, comes in various forms such as grants, work-study, or loans. The key is to start your search early and apply for as many as you're eligible for. Remember to check the eligibility criteria for each scholarship or aid. They might be based on your grades, your chosen field of study, or even elements like your background or personal circumstances. Also, keep in mind that some scholarships might cover your full tuition, while others may only cover a part of it or provide a stipend. So, don't let the cost of education deter you from pursuing your dreams. Scholarships and financial aids can be a great help in funding your studies. Finally, don't forget about visa requirements and overseas student health cover. As an international student, securing the right visa is crucial. It's not just a piece of paper, it's your passport to a world of opportunity in Melbourne. Now let's talk health. Overseas student health cover, or OSHC, is not a suggestion. It's a requirement. It helps you pay for medical and hospital care that you may need while studying. Familiarize yourself with these aspects to avoid last-minute complications. Understanding visa requirements and health cover can save you from unnecessary stress. Let's sum up what we have discussed today. The journey to studying in Melbourne starts with researching and shortlisting universities that resonate with your academic aspirations. Be sure to understand the entry requirements thoroughly, which may include academic qualifications and language proficiency tests. Next comes the application process. Be attentive to the deadlines and prepare your supporting documents in advance. A compelling personal statement or essay can make a world of difference, so give it your best shot. Letters of recommendation also carry significant weight, so don't leave them to the last minute. Don't overlook the financial aspect. Explore all available scholarship opportunities and financial aid options. These can significantly reduce the financial burden of your studies. Finally, familiarize yourself with visa requirements and the need for overseas student health cover. These are crucial steps in your preparation to study abroad. With this guide, you are now well equipped to successfully apply to Melbourne universities. Good luck with your applications.